Every day, I tend my little rain cloud, keeping the summer blooms happy, all on my own.
I've built everything here, the irrigation, the treadlises, even the cloud anchor.
Oh no, a leak! No, I can fix this. I always do.
Resin and thread should patch it. I just need to reach the cloud.
Almost. Just a little more. Oh, this ladder is too short.
I can't reach it. I built the ladder myself, and it's still not enough.
You can't fix it alone. You need a wind to lift you, don't you see?
I don't need help. I've never needed help. I fix things alone.
I can lift you. Just let me. It's easier together.
I can make a longer pole. I don't need a wind spirit.
The blossom is thirsty. Soon it will be too late.
They're all wilting. I can't do this alone. I really can't.
Maybe I could use a little lift. Just this once. Hold on. I'll lift you. Then you patch it together.
There. The resin is holding. The thread is tight. It's working.
The rain is falling. The flowers are drinking. Look at them. Thank you. I made this patch for you. A little something to remember. I'll carry it always. And maybe next time, you'll call me sooner.
Together, we keep the garden blooming. That's better than perfect.
Every bloom, every drop, every stitch, they're all part of the same story.
A new sprout from a shared effort. This is what matters.
And ever since then, the garden blooms, and I never have to fix anything alone again.